Hello, so this time I show you an effortless, natural but glamorous bridal look. I mean, you can use it for every situation if you want, but it's also a bridal look. So first of all, I use a hydrating primer from Laura Mercier because it's a beautiful primer, hydrates the skin and it feels so comfortable. Afterwards, I use skin foundation from SMASHBOX, which is a beautiful foundation. It's oil-free and it stays the whole day. I love it. So I have a beautiful model this time. I love my models, but she's really gorgeous. She has a beautiful skin and it's so easy to blend it the makeup. So afterwards I use a concealer from Huda Beauty in the color Nougat, which is a really nice concealer. So it's not creasing. You can blend it in so easily with a sponge and it's amazing. I mean, yeah, it's not creasing at all. So I love it. For the eyelid, I use the Mesmerise eyeshadow from Charlotte Tilbury in the color Pearl Oyster, and I love this color. It's not too dark, it's not too light, but it makes something special with the eyes. And afterwards I do some mascara on and I will put also some lashes, but a little bit later. And to make the eye looking more glamorous, so I use a brown eyeliner, cream eyeliner from Inglot, and it looks so amazing. I mean, if you don't want it to be too hard with your eyeliner, use a brown eyeliner. It looks elegant but not too hard. So now I use the eyelashes, single eyelashes from Ardell, which I use them in medium and in short. Afterwards I use the bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury in the color medium and I contour the face to make a little bit more sun-kissed, more fresh, and it's so easy to put it on and I love it because it's a cream bronzer. It's not too heavy, it's quite light, but it makes something with your skin. And yeah, I contour the nose with a smaller brush and I go until to the eyebrows and I blend it in. I want to say that the girl or the woman wants to be more natural in her makeup. She should use more cream products. Cream products looks always more natural on the skin. I mean, look at her. She looks already amazing. So I use some cream blush from Bobbi Brown. Unfortunately, it's not available anymore. It was copper coral, I think, something. But I mean, this color, you can find it in also other brands or similar to this. So I blend the blush into the skin. I give it also a little bit on the nose to give her more freshness. And yeah, I mean, she looks so amazing. What do you think? Do you like it? So I love some blush. I mean, some girls, they don't like blush at all, but I like it. And it depends also on the look. Sometimes you need also you need only a bronzer, I wanted to say. So I will put some mascara also on the under lashes and I use afterwards a lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury in the color Pillowtalk. And after this I take the lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury too. It's the color Kim.K. So it's a special, for me it's a special color because it's so beautiful nude. It's not too yellow, not too orange. It's perfectly nude rosé. So I use the highlighter also from Charlotte Tilbury Spotlight on the cheeks. I blend it in with the sponge. I put a little bit on the nose and also on the chin to give her some glow. So she has already beautiful eyebrows, but I fixed them a little bit. I lifted them a little bit up and I filled them in with brow tint Lift and Snatch from NYX in the color Ash Brown. So yeah, I fill them in with small lines, I mean some hairs, so it looks super natural. If I would have a bride, I will put afterwards some fixing spray and I will be finished. So I hope you like it. If yes, give me a thumbs up, or love to have some comments, but what you want to see the next time. And now you see some behind the scenes. Bye bye.